What's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to install a bottle cage. This is your bicycle before you clicked on this video. There is nothing, as you can see, and this is after the video. So with that said, let's get started. A screwdriver and the bottle cage. Locate the two holes on your frame. Put the bottle cage on the frame and align the holes. Put the screws through the holes. Then screw them in with a screwdriver. Make sure you screw them in tightly so that when you ride, the cage does not make a rattling sound. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss more content like this. Thanks for watching.